Hi guys, it's me. We're going to play Animal Shelter because I can. Cat. I'm alive. Hello there. Heal animals, play with them, watch them, become a foster carer for your pets, buy useful equipment, find loving homes. I'm okay. Let's go. Now that I think about it, I haven't made a video in forever. Jesus. Okay, let's go in here. Woo! Woo! I know how to use this thing. Oh, I could have clicked the X button. I am so slow. Why is her name Baby? You know what? It's gonna be named after me. It's me. Except. Gain a 10 reputation. I don't know. Come here. I don't care. Look at how cute she is. She's so cute. Oh my god, you're so cute. You're so cute. Okay, I don't care. Stop popping me up with these stupid things. Yo, what's up, little kitty? You're so cute. You're so cute. Oh my god, you're so cute. Okay. Don't hit me. Okay, anyway. Woo, woo. Wait, hold on. You're gonna leave that door. Excuse me, do we have a ghost already? First day here and the door is already closing on itself. Okay, let's see. What are we doing? Oh yeah, water. Ew. I got 1,000 but I don't care. Keeps telling me these things, but I don't care. Oh, you're so cute. Yo, you good? Sorry, this look weird. You see that? That look weird. I'm going cuckoo. Oh god. I'm gonna be like Toba. Oh god. Wait. Good boy. Open up. Hey, didn't I just... Girly Pop's eating. Calm down. Fine. I'll give her more food. She doesn't need that much, but okay. It's giving me big back. Hey. I'm clicking the wrong buttons. There. Ooh, it's a winter. Finish your food. Cute. So cute. It's gonna steal you. Yeah, I'm adopting you. You're Suki Jr. I mean, wait, what do you call? I'm really stupid. What? It's a girl, so it's not Junior, right? So what? Suki the second? That's better. Come here. Whoa, you're fast. Woo. Hey. She's not going home. No, I'm adopting her. I don't care. Let me... Hold on. No, I'm not getting nobody. Let's see. My new home is me. I am adopting her. I can't adopt her. I can't adopt her. I can't adopt her, girl. Bro, 90 they is scamming me. Jesus. Dude. Does it? Oh, it's a bird. Woo! Come here. Come here. Group it. Yes. Oh god, it's gonna make me cry. I don't want it. No. I'm getting rage baited. Oh, kitty, 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 kitty. Come here. I need you to pose. Hey. Suki, come here. Pose. Ready, Pops, I need you to pose. That is so cute. Hey, hold on. Like right there. Oh my god, you're so cute. Let's go. Okay. Wait, Daddy, come here. Oh, I did not mean to pick you up. Oh no, I just want to pet you. You're so cute. Stop hitting me. Okay. Dude. We're not gonna ask what I'm singing. Because something's really wrong with me. Eat meat, you can leave the potatoes. I'm a little broken today, life. Found a dog, becomes your pet. Found a cat, becomes your master. Okay. Oh wait, no. Oh no. Yeah. Wait, oh, get. I'm really stupid. Let's see. Wee. Oh wait, no, don't. Stop taking it. I don't want to take pictures, jeez. I don't need this. Let's just go. Yo, look. Beautiful. Beautiful. This is gonna be her photo. I don't care. I'm keeping this one because it's adorable. Yeah, she's gonna look like a slob, so nobody adopts her and I adopt her. That's so big brain. Find new home. Upload. See? See? She looked like a mess, so it's my cat. Hopefully not. Why? No. 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 Hey. Hey. Oh my god, you're so cute. Oh my god, you're cute. Oh, I don't want to adopt you. Your home's here. Come here. I'm not crying. I miss her. I miss her already, and I still have her in my hand. Okay. I love you, Suki. Hi. Please stay with me. No, I want to stay with the beagle. Fine. Bye. Suki. Now I'm gonna go find a new cat. I don't care. Dude. New kitty time. Let's see. Autumn. Oh my god, they're so cute. Oh my god, she's so sad. Lulu looks so fluffy. Hold on. Hold up. Hey. Okay, Oliver's gonna be fine. I'm taking Lulu. I'm sorry, Lulu is so cute. Come on. Let's go get Kitty. So cute. Lulu is very dirty. I do not have a wash house right now, so I can't help you. I'm sorry. Ew. Oh my god, you're so cute and fluffy. God. Oh my god, you're so cute. No, I'm getting another one. Let's get another one. Oh yeah, Oliver. Peanut. Peanut is so cute. Oh, what is Bella doing? Wait, it's a he. That is a he. Hold on. Maxwell. I love that name. Don't I have a friend that name? Hold on. I can't remember. I'm like really slow. Oh. Y'all ain't gonna ask about that. You're so cute. I'm giving you some water. Can't get a bottle of water. What am I saying? I am like crazy. Dude, you're so cute and funny. Ooh, girl, nasty. Oh, move. Hey, girly pops. Ooh, it's a hairball. Ooh, ooh, she made 3 of the. Ooh, gross. Ew, ew. Girl, I need you to calm down. Ugh. Girly pop. Jeez. It's disgusting. Girl. Girl, I swear, if you do it again, I will murder you. No, I won't. You're too adorable to be dead. Yep. Huh? That made no sense for some reason. I'm trying to figure out what's going on with my comments, because I literally press the done button. Girl, move. Girl, you was nasty. And she only made 1. That's okay. That's okay. I mean, he. Yo, what's up, Pookie? Maxwell, what's up? Jesus. We're not gonna ask about that. First date? How do you clean it? I don't know what I'm doing. Hold on. Whee! Do I have any hands, bro? I have no body. Where? Okay. Yo, what's up? Yo, that was so easy. That was so easy. Jeez, that took me like 10 seconds. Jeez. Mischievous and happy belly. Who does not want a happy belly? Come here. Come here, Maxwell. I'm sorry, I am not okay today. Oh, God. I think Lulu has a problem. Why am I holding it like this? Like, am I gonna no, it's a spear. Whee! Okay, let's take Lulu out. Woo! Ooh, ooh. Ooh, to the party, my new pig. Okay, we're not gonna... Okay, her fun is... She's miserable. What? No! Oh! Oh, Lulu! Come here! What? Why are you miserable? You're so cute! Everybody loves you! Oh my god, Lulu. I really love you. Yo, Maxwell, come here. You know what? Are you good? Okay. Come here. Come here. God, you're so chubby. It's adorable. You have green eyes too. Come here. Look up. Oh, it's not working. God, yes. Green eyes are adorable. I want to have green eyes. I mean, I kind of do. Ish. Stop hitting me in the face. Yo, where is my body? I'm trying to figure out where it is. You know, is there a mirror somewhere? You know, let's do some renevading. Whatever it's called. I'm really stupid. Okay. Disgusting. Yo, Lulu. You're still miserable. You know what? Yeah, we're gonna end it off here. Come here. You know what? I need to get both of them together. I'm gonna make the... Let's make a... I need y'all to stay together. Hey! Come here. Come here, everyone. This will be my picture right here. Hey! Maxwell, I swear. I love you, bud, but I need you to work with me. Okay, I think I got it. Yeah. Well, that is all. Say bye to Maxwell. Bye, Maxwell. Okay, no, you're gonna say bye to Lulu. Okay, we'll be back. Bye, Lulu. We love you. Okay, bye.